Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can save a YouTube video for you to watch it later. So for that you just need to open your YouTube application and choose a video you want to save. Alright, so for that let me choose a video. Alright, let's choose this.
You may be wondering why you
Okay, after choosing this video, as you can see in the here, you can see this tab, just left swipe, you will see a save icon. Just hold it, and from here I will be creating a new playlist. So just create a new playlist and type, just I create a name, and this video is saved. Now I can see the video whenever I want. So for that, just go to the logo, and from here go to playlist. As you can see, this is a playlist, view all, and this is the playlist I just created. Just click here, and this is the video. So this is how you do it. If you want to save a video to watch later, this is how you do it. So yeah, thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, then please click the like button and subscribe button. Thank you.